Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this simple holiday look. I know most of us have a lot of places to go, a lot of things to do this time of year, and we don't always have time to do a glam look, and sometimes we just don't want to do a glam look. So I thought I would show y'all how to do this quick and easy look. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. Since the eyes are simple for this look, I'm really going to focus on the skin, and I love a glowy, dewy look all the time, but especially around the holidays. So I'm using my Tarte Found Sealer, and I'm also mixing in some of the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, which is a liquid highlighter, but I love it because it doesn't have any glitter. So if you have this product, definitely try this. I love mixing it with my foundation, and I do have a video where I show different uses for it, so I will link that down below in the description bar. To cover up my dark circles, I'm starting off with the Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector. This is going to correct and counteract the darkness. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it has a peachy tone to it. And then I'm going to go on top of it with Shape Tape, which is my all-time favorite concealer. I set my under eyes with a yellow setting powder just to make it a little bit more bright. Now I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Luminous Light to set my foundation. This is going to give me an all over glow, and if you don't have the Hourglass or don't want to spend that much on it, a really good dupe is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. Now I'm going back in with the Shape Tape Glow Wand and just putting it on my cheekbones. This is going to give me an extra glow. Sticking with glowy products, I'm going in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula because it has a really pretty sheen to it, so it gives you a really nice glow. Since I have a bold lip, I wanted to stick with a nude blush, so I'm using the shade Sensual by Tarte. After I apply my blush and bronzer, I always like to take a stippling brush and go over it, make sure everything is nice and blended. Since I use the Glow Wand on my cheekbones, I don't have to go in with a powder highlight, but I wanted an extra glow, so I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I really like the front of my brow to look really natural, so I'm starting off with a Benefit Microfilling Pen. I love this product and I highly recommend it if you are newer to filling in your brows or if you already have pretty full brows. It makes them look really nice and natural. And then I'm going to go in with the Gucci brow pencil and just fill it in the rest of the way and really define them. Now I'm lining my lower waterline with a black eyeliner. I do this every time I do my makeup, even if it's a natural, no makeup look. I don't know why, I just always do that. If you don't want to use black, you can use a nude and it will really make your eyes look more open and awake, which is actually what I should be doing. And now I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow, and I'm using the same bronzer and highlighter that I used on my face. So this would be a really good look if you're traveling. That way you won't have to take a whole eyeshadow palette. So I'm starting off with the bronzer going in my crease and up just a little bit, and I'm just going to keep building until it's as dark as I want, and then take a clean fluffy brush and buff out the edges. And now I'm doing the same thing for my lower lash line, just taking that same bronzer and buffing it all the way across. Next, I'm using the highlighter and placing it all over my lid. I'm using a flat, dense brush, that way it will pack on more shadow. If you wanted, you could use one that was a little bit more glittery or just add a glitter topper to it, but I just really liked that I could use the same products that I used on my face. Then I'm also going to pop some in my inner corners just to really open up my eyes and make them look a little bit brighter. I did add some mascara to my lower lashes, and now I'm just combing through my extensions just to make sure they're nice and separated. And now to finish off the look, I'm going in with MAC Ruby Woo, which is one of my favorite reds. It is such a pretty classic blue red, and blue reds are my favorite because it makes your teeth look whiter. And then I am going to go in with a lip liner, but I actually do mine second just to kind of clean up around the edges. I know a lot of people like to do it first because it gives you a barrier and then you can just color in the lines with your lipstick. But if you haven't used lip liner before, I suggest trying it both ways, and then you can see which way you like better. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. I know the red lip is pretty bold, but I just feel like it is a classic Christmas look. And that's why I did a more simple eye. That way there's not too much going on. But if the red is still a little bold for you, you can try a red gloss. That way you still have the pop of red, but it's not going to be as bold and pigmented as a lipstick. Or just use whatever color lipstick that you are comfortable with. That's kind of my trick on looking like I spend a lot of time on my makeup, is just do a simple eye and add a bold lip. But if you did like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That would really mean a lot to me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.